This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Teiss Trio. Nice and clean low-maintenance brick 1-story townhome in Timberway. 2-bedroom/2 bath with split floorpan, nice open living area with vaulted ceilings. Newer kitchen cabinets, newer bathroom vanities and laundry/pantry room. Luxury vinyl plank through living/dining areas. Screened porch overlooks fenced backyard. Close to Santa Fe College, restaurants, shopping and I-75 for added convenience. For more information, review the details below.